Detective Sergeant Emer Berry. I'm with the Criminal Assets Bureau.
Oh, I'm a fucking solicitor.
I have a warrant under Section 6 of the Criminal Justice Act 2006 to execute a search of your house, garage and gardens. We'll be seizing anything we believe to be the proceeds of crime or anything purchased with the proceeds of crime and any evidence that pertains to such. So he has a luxury apartment in Belgium, and as far as we know, didn't view it before buying or visit afterwards. That's odd.
He's a drug dealer. And Antwerp port is a major hub for smuggling.
Have you been watching the news coverage of yesterday's bombing? How many companies will want to work with us if they think we're linked to a terrorist attack?